everyone. In this cold weather, Team BHANGOO is here with another hot deal. A fully renovated townhouse, an amazing opportunity for first-time home buyers or investors. Very close to Highway 401, Victoria Hospital, White Oaks Mall, and all amenities. Let's go inside. An open concept, white and gold combination, modern kitchen with all brand new appliances accompanied by a dining room, huge family room. Second floor boasts with 4 bedroom, which is very rare to find. Master with walk-in closet, another 3 oversized bedrooms with 1 full washroom. Basement is finished with a rec room for you to use some extra space. No carpet in the entire house. Modern lights. Fully renovated from top to bottom. Listed at a very attractive price. If you are living in City of London or Middlesex County, you can use City of London's first-time home buyer assistance program to grab this deal. To get more information about this house or book a showing, you can call me Roopa at 226-270-5000 or my business partner Narinder at 226-270-6000 from Gold Empire Realty.